Okay, student, today we will see the second method for the mean. Okay, second method to find out the mean of a grouped data. It is called assumed mean process. Okay, in which in our question it is given the class. Suppose we can say 10 to 25, 25 to 40, 40 to 55, 55 to 70, 70 to 85, 85 to 100. And these are number of students given. FI 237666. Okay. So as per our system of method, we can say sum of this is considered as a n. Okay. So 6 3 is 18. 18 plus 2, 20 plus 10, 30. So total number of observations are 30. That means number of students 30. Okay. Who got 10 to 25 marks? 2 student. 25 to 40 marks? 3 student got. Like that, this is the distribution given. Okay. Now first of all, the class is given, so we have to find out xi. Xi means what? It is a mid value of a class. Okay. So suppose we consider first class. It is 10 plus 25 divided by 2. Similarly for the next one, 25 to 40. So it is 25 plus 40 divided by 2. Just we consider first one. So it is 35 divided by 2. So it is 17.5. So first xi 17.5. Now no need to find out every time mid value of each class. Just find out the class length. How to find out the class length? 25 minus 10. Okay. So it is 25 minus 10. So we can say it is a 15. So just add class length to this. So 17.5 plus 15. So it is 32.5. Okay. 17.5 plus 15. Next plus 15. So it is 47.5. Next plus 15. So it is 62.5. Plus 15. 77.5 plus 15. Okay, so this is our xi. Just first one we have to find out by this method, that is 10 plus 25 divided by 2. Okay, so class length 10 and 25, addition divided by 2, it will give 17.5. Then we have to find out the class length. 25 minus 10, so it is 15. Class length is a 15, so just add 15 to this number. Plus 15, 32.5 plus 15, 47.5 plus 16, 15, sorry, 62.5, so on. Okay, so just this is xi. Now it will change. Okay, here in place of fi, earlier we have seen it is a fi-xi. Okay, here additionally we have to find out di in the assumed mean. Okay, di, that means a deviation of a assumed mean from our observation. So that means we have to find out assumed mean. We have to assume any mean in xi. Don't forget. Okay, any one number. Just I am selecting this one as an assumed mean. So it is considered as a small a or capital A. So just I am putting here capital A, so you can visualize very easily. So this is our assumed mean. Anyone you can find out. Okay, or you can assume anyone. Clear? Now this is your xi and this is a. Now for di the formula is xi minus a. Okay, so di is equal to what? Xi minus a. Your xi is 17.5 minus a, so it is 47.5. Now this is a larger number, so first just I am doing it like this: 17.5, 5.550, 7 minus 7 it is 0, 4 minus 1 it is 3. So here di you will get 30, but larger number is a negative one. Okay, so here you will get a negative value, minus 30. Clear? Next, 32.5 minus 47.5, that is xi minus a. Okay, so here I am writing 47.5, 0, 5, 1 minus 15. This will be 0. Why? Because xi itself is a 47.5 and a is also 47.5. So a minus a, it is 0. 47.5 minus 47.5. So it is 0. Okay. Now 62.5 minus 47. So 62.5 minus 47.5. 0. Okay. 5 and 1. So this is plus 15. Okay. Similarly, we can say that this is a pattern. See, minus 30, minus 15, 0, plus 15. So this will be plus 30 and this will be 45. Clear? So basically, how to find out di? The formula is xi minus a. These are the xi and a we have assumed 47.5. Any number you can assume, first one, last one, anyone. Okay, just I am selecting the mid value. So xi minus a, 17.5 minus 47.5, so it is minus 30. Clear? So now see here, now fi di, so this is your fi and this is your di. Minus 30 into 2, so it is minus 60. 3 multiplied by minus 15, minus 45. This is 0. This is 90. 15 6 then 36 180 and 45 6 so it is 270. Clear? Okay. Now we required sigma fi di. That means the total. See here we got two type of number. One is a negative, then it comes 0. Okay. So numbers above the 0 is a negative and number after the 0 are positive. So just make a total of these negative numbers. So 0 plus 5, it is 5, 6 plus 4, 10. It is minus 105. Okay, and here it is 0, 24. So 4, 2 plus 2, 4, 5, 6. So it is 640 plus and minus 105. So here for sigma fi di, 640 minus 105. So it is 5, because this is positive and negative. So we have to do subtraction. 640 minus 105. So 5, okay, 3 and 5. So your sigma fi di is 535. Clear? Now calculation is easy. Okay. See how to calculate. The formula is x bar is equal to a plus sigma fi di upon n. Your assumed mean a is equal to 47.5 plus sigma fi di 535 and upon n is a 30. Don't forget to divide this number first, okay, whatever it will be in a decimal or whatever it is. 30 means we can write 3 into 10, okay. So 535 divided by 3. 3 ones are 3, 2 remain, 3. 7s are 21. Okay, so here it is. This number remain as it is because we have not done addition process first division. So 535 upon 30 we have divided by 3. Okay, so it is 178.3. Now it is 30, so we have to change the decimal place, left side 1, so it is 17.83. just do the addition process, okay. 47.5, so we can write 50 because here there are two digits. 17.83. So it is 65.33. So this is your x bar, okay. Clear? So here your 3 marks question is completed. Okay. So just I am bringing my phone nearby the board, or you can easily visualize this also, or just we see this one. Okay. This is a calculative part. And this is the question part. Class and FI both are given. Okay. So this is, we can say, it is a assumed mean process or method. Now the last and third method, that is, we can say, step deviation, and step deviation is an easy method. Okay, so here third method. It is a step deviation. See, generally whenever in your question it is not asked that solve the problem by particular method. Either it is a general method or by the assumed mean or by step deviation. Then it is very easy to solve it by the step deviation. So third method is the most important. So concentrate on this. Okay. See here we are considering the same question. Okay. First, class is given 10 to 25, 25 to 40, 40 to 55, 55 to 17, so on. Fi is also same, n remains same, 30. Okay, xi also we have to find out. Okay, now di onwards we have to cancel this one. Okay, because formula will change. Okay, so this is up to the xi. This will remain same in this method also. See, here in place of di we required ui. Okay. What is the formula of ui? Xi minus a upon n. Okay. Additionally, n will be here. Okay. Now remember this thing, very simple method. See, if the class length is same, 10 to 25, difference is 15, 25 minus 10, so it is 15, 25 to 40, 40 minus 25 is 15. So it is an equal class length question. Okay. So whenever it is an equal class length, just assume anyone as your assume mean. So suppose we can say this is your A. Okay. So here just write down it is a 0. Clear? 47 xi minus A. So it is 47.5 is your xi. A is also same 47.5. So xi minus A is 0 upon n. So it is also 0. Okay. Now here just write down the upper values are -1 and -2. And below it is 1, 2, 3. Okay. Sorry, here not n but it is a c. Sorry. Okay. Xi minus A upon c. Okay. C is your class length. Clear? Right. Now FIUI. Okay. So now this calculation will be shorter. Okay. 2 2s are 4. 3 1s are 3. 7 0s are 0. 6 1s are 6. 6 2s are 12. 6 3s are 18. Okay. Just 4 plus 3 it is -7. Here it is 16. 6 1 carry 36. Okay. So sigma FIUI is equal to 36 minus 7. Okay. So it is 29. Okay. So this calculation becomes smaller. Okay. FIUI again. This is your UI and this is FIUI. Clear? Okay. Now your formula is x bar is equal to A plus sigma FIUI upon n into C. Because additionally we can say here we got in a formula it is C. Why? Because we have divided here the formula by C. In the assumed mean it was xi minus A only. Here xi minus A upon C. C, that means it is your class length. 25 minus 10, so it is 15. So C is 15. Clear? So we are dividing the formula by C. So here in the formula we are multiplying by C. So it will be same. Assume mean or step deviation. Here the calculation becomes simpler. Okay? So that way we can say this method is important. So just replace x bar is equal to A. A means it is a 47.5. Sigma FIUI it is 29. N is equal to 30. And your C is what? 15. Class length. 25 minus 10, 40 minus 25, whatever you calculate, it will be 15 remain only. Now put this value into bracket. Okay. First you have to solve this one. Inside the bracket value you have to solve first. Okay. Then add it with a 47.5. Say 15 2s are 30 and 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, 1 remain, 2 5s are. So it is 14.5. 5 plus 5 it is 0, 1 carry. Okay. 11 plus 1 12, 1 carry. Okay. So your x bar is equal to 62. Okay. So this is the last method, that is we consider step deviation method. And if it is not given in your question during the exam that solve the problem by particular method, then try to maintain this method. It is very easy. This calculation ultimately it becomes very small. Okay. So this is the third method, step deviation. Okay. Now in your exercise 14.1, except question number 3. Question number 3 is different, in which we can say missing frequency is given. So except question number 3, all the questions you can solve by all 3 methods. That is, your first question you can solve it by the first method, second method and third method if it is a group data. Okay, first question I think it is a group data, so just solve it by the first method, general method. Okay, next questions we can say question number 2, 4, 6 as on. All the questions you can solve by all the three methods. Okay, now in your question, that is your textbook, question number 3 is given in exercise 14.1, so we will solve that one. Okay, so just I am removing this one. Okay, now exercise 14.1, question number 3, in which class given, then frequency is given. Okay, rest we have to find out. Just we check out the question number 3 in 14.1. Okay, I have soft copy, so just 1 minute. See, this is the question number 3. Find the mean of daily wages of the workers of a factory. Okay, here the classes are given like this: 11 to 13. Okay, 13 to 15. So class length is a 2. 13 minus 11, 2. Okay, 15 to 17, 17 to 19, 19 to 21. Okay, 21 to 23 and 23 to 25. F5 frequencies are given: 7, 6, 9, 13, and here it is given F, means we don't know this frequency, it is a missing frequency. Okay, then 5 and 4. So this is called a missing frequency question. This may be asked in a 4 marks. Okay, it is little bit lengthier question or it is difficult to understand. See, whenever it is given a missing frequency in your question, the xi must be given. See, in your question, just I am reading, the following distribution shows the daily pocket allowance of a children's of a locality. The mean pocket allowance is 18. So here x bar is given, it is 18. Okay, so whenever it is a missing frequency, x bar must be given. Okay, otherwise the question is not possible. Okay, and this is a single missing frequency. So now we have to find out. In this question we don't have to find out x bar. Why? Because it is given. We have to find out only the missing frequency. Clear? So how to find out this? Just I am considering it or solving it by the step deviation method, third one. First we have to find out xi, mid value of the class. So 11 plus 13 divided by 2. So it is 24 divided by 2. So it is 12. So first one is 12. Now class length is a 2. So just add 2 to each observation. So 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22 and 24. Okay. Now ui. So ui is what? xi minus a upon c. Just now what we have to assume, xi must be here. Okay, this is your assumed mean. Okay, so it will be easy. whatever the missing frequency is given, in front of that you have to assume the missing frequency, assume mean. So this is 0. Then -1, -2, -3, -4. This is 1, 2. Okay. Now FIUI. So FI 7, 7 4s are -28, 6 3s are -18, 9 2s are -18, 13 1s are 30. This is 0. 5 1s are 5 and 4 2s are 8. Now add negative numbers. So 27 2 carry 3 4 5 6 7. It is -77 and positive 30. So -77 plus 13. So it is a subtraction 4 and this is 6. -64 is your sigma FIUI. We can get positive or negative any number as a sigma FIUI. Okay. Now here also we have to find out n. N means what? 7 plus 6 plus 9. Okay. So 6 plus 6, 12 plus 10, 22, 22 plus 10, 32, 33, 34, 35, 35 plus 5. Okay. 40 and 44. So it is 44 and this missing frequency we don't know. So it is F. Okay. Again, just we take the cross check this totally. Okay. Okay, so it is 44 plus F. Clear? Now, your formula is for assumed last one, it is a standard deviation. X bar is equal to A plus sigma FIUI upon N into C. See here, remember that X bar is given, so it is 18. A we have assumed it is 20. Here, sigma FIUI is negative, so this positive sign will change to negative. 64 upon N is equal to somewhat equation 44 plus F into C is what? Class length 13 minus 11, so it is 2. Just put this into the bracket. First 20 we have to shift this side, so it is 18 minus 20 is equal to minus 64 into 2 upon 44 into plus F, so this is minus 2, 18 minus 20, so it is minus 2. Now this denominator will multiply over here, so it is 44 plus F is equal to 64 2s are 4 2s are 8, 6 2s are 12, minus 128. First minus 4 2s are 8, 4 2s are 8, so 88 minus 2F is equal to minus 128. Just shift this one, so minus 2F is equal to 128 minus plus 88. So it is 8 minus 8, 0, then 4, minus 40, okay, minus 128 plus 88, so it will be minus 40, okay, minus 2F is equal to minus 40, so therefore F is equal to minus 40 upon minus 2, so it will be 20. So your missing frequency is 20, here it will be 20. Okay, so this is your 4 marks question. Okay, just concentrate on this, and today we will stop here. Okay, you have to complete your exercise number 14.1. Okay, that will be your homework. Clear? So this is your second video. Now here the mean is completed. Next, in a 14.2 it is given mode Z. Okay, it is very simple. Mean is a very tough compared to mode and median. Okay, so next it will be mode and then it will be median. Clear? So just this is your last question, or we can say the missing frequency question will be asked in a 4 marks question. Clear? So just concentrate on this. Okay, calculations I am putting it on a hold my screen. Okay, just see it properly and then copy down. Okay. So today we finished up to your exercise 14.1. Okay. Next time, in the next lecture, we will take a mode. Okay. Second one. So that will be your exercise 14.2. Clear? Thank you, student, for today.